now I'm gonna call one last oil change place, and this is actually the dealership that I got my truck at. So I think I'll actually schedule an appointment with them to bring my truck in. So, okay, here we go. You'll have to excuse me because I have a speech problem, but can I speak to yeah, a service? Okay, thank you. Yeah. You'll have to excuse me because I have a speech problem. But I was wondering what the cost is of a basic oil change for a yeah okay. Okay. Um, um, so, it's a 97 Silverado, Chevy Silverado. Yeah. All right. Could I schedule an appointment to bring it in? Okay. That's okay. No, no problem. Yeah. Can I bring it in either Monday night or Tuesday morning then, and just leave it there? Yeah. Yeah, it is. Okay. Okay. Thank you. But so didn't go too bad, I guess. Everyone I spoke to was very nice and understanding, and that's usually what I find. I don't often encounter people who are rude or in a hurry. Everybody seems to generally be fairly patient and willing to wait and understanding. And I think part of that is probably because I let them know that I stutter, so it eases the situation, or I mean, it puts them at ease, and so that they know what is going on, and it puts me at ease too. So, well, so that's that. We'll see you next time.